Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and they only sent me part of it. I guess they're trying to hide the logo, but they want this fake stitch or faux stitch. Really easy. I've already done it. My computer's really acting up tonight, so I might do this in two parts, but there it is. Worked out pretty well, but he already knows how to draw this shape, but I thought I'm just going to draw this shape kind of. I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to grab the shape tool. I'm going to select it all. I'm going to add nodes. And then I'm going to set my nudge factor on something pretty little. I'm going to set it in like, let's go 0.2. I don't know how big it'll be, but grab that node and go upwardly. That's good. Go down, go to the right. I'm just trying to get this basic shape that it looks like this is. Now I need to change the corners. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm just going to say that 1/2 inch corner would be good. And so I've got that shape. Now I need to find out how long that shape is. Because it's a curve, I can go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And it's going to tell me how long that curve is. If I check on this one line right, my computer is really running slow tonight. This line is 29.84. I want a more even number, so I'm going to make it 30. So I'm going to go with my ratio locked. I'm going to go 101. And see now, let's go 100.5. 29.98, that's pretty close. So we got 30 inches. Now we need to take an X. I just use an X, capital X, nothing to it. In the original video, I squished it. I squished it down to make it look more like, or an original video in the, I'm not going to do it because it takes so long for this to do it. And if it takes too long, I'm going to shut it off and make part 2, because I'm going to use object to path, and maybe not everybody's got it, because, and to be honest with you, tonight I can't remember when it started. But if you will go to object and go object to path, you select your object first, shift select your path, and I didn't figure out how many we needed. We had 30 inches divided, well, we need to know how I'm jumping the gun here. That X is, let's make it for the video, let's make it 0.2 big. It's going to be too big. So it's 0.2. So we're going to take 30 inches, get the calculator back, 30 inches divided by 0.2. We need 150. Okay, we've already got one, so we're going to go 149. Now we want to put the origin, I think they actually call it, of the object at the top, so it'll be on the bottom of the line. Now I'm going to shift select and I'm going to hit apply. Now this takes some time. It won't take your computer that long. My computer, as good as people think I am, Corel, I'm not very computer literate. I need to have it cleaned up. It's been acting real slow. So if this takes too much time, I'll make a second video and I'll actually show you what it looked like. And I will do another way in case the person I'm trying to help or you don't have object to path. Now, if you remember, we needed 150. Whenever Corel says duplicate, I always go one less because I've already got one. So stay tuned for part 2 so you won't be wasting your time on watching this happen. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.